Unboxing.
Yes.
We're gonna have so much fun. And it's something you want to have the same. You can time to open it. Alright, so first, Mom, can you help me? Kind of. Bear with me while I remove this stuff. Go. This is very good in packaging. Well, we have instructions.
You lay it down.
Ooh, and look, we even get a little book. And we can never forget. Alright. Let the review begin. Oh my, so nice. Let's remove everything. This gets out. We have instruction to make this.
That is for Mama.
Plenty of stuff with it. So, yeah. But do not use it for something else, like an organizer.
Tapos yan.
I bet that it goes here, but we might maybe bear with me while I'm gonna do all of this. Come on,
Ito.
so heavy. Ugh. We need help with the parents, so I need some parents. Right in
Oh,
there.
no, it's so heavy.
Yeah. Hey, you made time to do that. Alright, so probably that thing is not supposed to get
No,
off.
you can put it this. You can hold it. Don't put your finger.
Yeah,
It's a blade.
yeah, it might hurt your hand, so that's not gonna be a good problem. Need some help? Well, the instruction is
Ito.
right
Ito siya. Here.
there. That is
You can do bigger
very.
and you can do smaller.
I think we should do bigger for now to show how we can do it small. We already showed it small. I think we could. Yeah. And then this goes right in here. Now let it. And now, and this
And then this,
for our next time.
you can, mathea. You can close with this.
Yeah.
You put in the fridge.
For next.
That is
This.
super.
What is
What
this?
that's super.
It's for the sugar.
Don't wait. I want to look at the packaging. The package. It's not.
But you put food and fat.
What we can put?
Wait. Oh, Mama, can we do a chocolate smoothie? And what is this thingy?
Not possible.
Where is the instruction, Charlie?
The instructions are here. Not in that booklet, but in this
That
one.
is the Nutribullet.
And here are the instructions.
How you can ano the eyes?
Oh, seriously. Oh, these are boxings.
Ato mathea Cebu. Doon.
Wait lang.
Ayan.
Sister.
You can do a small one and a big one.
Oh my God.
And
Please
they
be
have-
patient. Oh no, there's here. Misty. Oh, wow.
The Nutribullet de recette qui change la vie.
Mama, can you build
I can build what?
a maker?
Now you see we can put the MERCI, Pues, c'est pas comme ça, nak. On a regarde. You don't need that to put. Sugar. Ah, maybe when you want to be, when you make like a picture.
Mama, I think that we are not gonna throw this. And before we finish this vlog, we're gonna do one of the crafts. We can make something out of it, a background or anything else. And I have paint.
No, we need to buy things.
Well, I think we could do it in another unboxing because I got an idea. Hey, if we buy a Barbie unboxing and then we can reuse the plastic to make a window in our own house. Mama.
Okay. Attention, c'est double.
I'll put it here.
Papa put it.
Non, ça. Non, ça.
Because this one. Okay na, finish na. Bye guys. We will try it in our next
Oh,
vlog.
no, Mom. We're gonna show them right away how do we use it.
We don't have, you need to clean first.
And of course, after cleaning all of this, we're gonna show you how we're gonna use it.
Okay. And now we try the pastèque.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like we were making the smoothie
Alis dyan,
shop.
alis dyan.
Yes, baby. Oh, you have to wait because Mommy needs to make some slushies. We're getting hot outside. We're getting so hot. Look, you can sit down right here. I can
Oh, you are my,
sit down.
you make billet to mama.
Okay, come. And you wait for your turn, alright?
I need to play. I need to play.
Est-ce que tu rajoutes du lait pour faire ça? Après, il y a assez d'eau dans la pastèque. Hein?
A little bit that is turning. We have pastèque, watermelon, water, little bit sugar.
Hi guys! We are gonna put the smoothie in a glass.
It's like a juice.
Yeah.
Papa do it so.
Alright, the taste test. Alright.
It's good.
It's so good.
So, Kaushan, you want to try? You try it more.
Try more. It's so hot outside. Good. You have a mustache. I want to finish it.
Super. Super.
Mimi na plate. Ito, mama donut.
Joli ça, joli merci.
Mm.
No, I could.
You give me €5. Wow.
Two filled.
C'est
One more to go.
No, no, finish now. We just try. Mama
Ça, on
clean.
aurait aussi dû acheter des trucs comme ça.
Good. Oh, look kay mama.
No, this one is mine. This is yours.
Faites attention. Je dois vous en servir un troisième encore.
Smile. How it stays? Stays good. Wow.
I think it smells good.